tiny bullet motorcycle has been completely destroyed by rust.
Watch carefully. As the cloth moves, the rust slowly disappears. Now we rinse it with water, and the bike is fully restored.
The rust remover is reacting with the corrosion, and now we clean the surface and rinse everything to reveal the metal.
Welcome back. We're restoring this tiny vintage tractor. After applying the rust remover, we gently wipe away the corrosion and finally rinse it with water to reveal the clean metal.
And there it is. The tiny tractor is finally clean again, from heavy rust to restored metal.
Today we are restoring this rusty miniature Thar, starting with a deep clean to prepare the surface for painting.